Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to apply texture on both sides of a single plane. So as you can see on one side this is this texture and on another side there is a grasshopper. So we will see how to do this in Blender. So let's start. So let's hide this. So I will add a single plane. Press S Y a little bit. As you can see, there is no texture here right now. So click on new in the shader editor. So this is the default that I will get. Select this and delete. Now I will go my folder and drag these two images. Now what I will do, I will press Shift A and search for mix shader. Remember, not mix, it is mix shader. Now connect the color 1 to shader 1, color 2 to shader 2, and shader to surface. Now the issue is that both the color, both the images are combining. So how I can make it correct? So here's the thing that I can do. I will press Shift A, search for geometry. There is an option called back facing. Connect this back facing to factor. Now you can see on one side we have an image of caterpillar and on the another side we have image of this one. And if you do your UV unwrapping etc., you can make it more better. It's up to you. So that's for all. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.